back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here and this is the first video you're clicking on, hey, what's up, my name is Ebony. So today's video I'm going to share with you the ways that I incorporate maca into my diet. I've spoken about maca here and there on my channel, and a question that I do get is how do I add it into my diet, what recipes do I add it to? So that's exactly what today's video is going to be, and I'm going to share with you 3 recipes that I add maca to. So if you have no clue what maca is, then we'll just quickly give you a brief description before we jump into the video. Maca is an adaptogen and it's really good for helping the body find balance, especially with hormones. It's part of the cruciferous vegetable family. It's really good for liver detoxification and really good for estrogen dominance when it comes to hormones, but in general it's really good at just helping women with their hormonal balance. Another great thing about maca is it's an energy, and I can't get the words out, it's an energy enhancer, which means that it's a really good substitute if you're trying to get off of coffee, so it gives you that little pick up in the afternoon without reaching for the caffeine. And I believe as well it also helps with like your libido and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you 3 recipes that I like to add maca to. Okay, so let's first start off with breakfast. I add a teaspoon of maca to my breakfast every single morning. Today I'm going to show you how I make my overnight oats. Really simple. I just take my oats, a bit of chia seeds, cinnamon, what other dry, my seed cycling, of course. I pop my seed cycling in there, which means I just grind up the seeds that I'm using at that part of my menstrual cycle and pop them in there. If you're interested about seed cycling, I'll leave a card so you can go watch my video about what seed cycling is and all that jazz. I put in a teaspoon of maca powder. I then pop in half a cup of hemp milk, finish it up with water so it is just all covered, and then I pop it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I will pop on a nice dollop of walnut butter. So that is a breakfast idea, and that's how I pop it into my breakfast. I find breakfast is the easiest way in the day to get your maca in. The next recipe is a drinks recipe, which I've definitely shared on my channel before, but I'm going to share it again. So this is my kind of chocolate milk, kind of healthy chocolate milk. So I take a mix of hemp milk and almond milk. I then pop in a nice dollop of coconut yogurt. I'll then put in 2 heaped teaspoons of cacao powder, a dash of cinnamon, and then I'll put in a teaspoon of maca powder. And then I also put in my secret ingredient, which is Madagascan vanilla extract, and then I just pop on a lid, whiz it all up, and there you go. Chocolate milk done. Is absolutely delicious. And when I use the yogurt, the key as well is getting a vanilla yogurt. I use the Coconut Collaborative and Madagascan vanilla yogurt. Oh, it's life, it's amazing. It just tastes amazing, no added sugars or anything. So great for you. All the ingredients are giving you such amazing benefits, and so easy to get your maca in. So that is recipe number 2. Number 3 is very similar, but this is my hot chocolate recipe. Now for this you can use whatever plant milk that you want to use. I'm using almond milk for this, so I just put that into a cup, put it in the microwave, heat it up. You can do this over the stove if you want to, but I just, for like time's sake, just pop it in the microwave, heat it up. I then take 2 heaped teaspoons of cacao powder, a dash of cinnamon, and then a teaspoon of maca powder, and then pop in a little bit of vanilla extract as well. And then I have this hand whizzer. I got it from Tiger, and it is just the best thing. So cheap as well. It was in there. I take that and I just whiz it all up and kind of, you know, try and get a little bit of a froth on top, and then there you have it. That is my healthy hot chocolate, and it is so delicious and really good for you, like the recipe before. So those are the 3 recipes that I like to add maca to. I always, without fail, will always have maca in my breakfast, and then I'll always have it in whatever drink I go for in the afternoon, because they're just the easiest times I find to add maca. If you are someone who has a lot of like smoothies, you can definitely add maca to smoothies. That's always a good one. And I mean, I personally don't like bake a lot of treats and all that kind of stuff, but if you are into that, a lot of people like to add maca into, like, you know, energy balls and like things like that. So that's another way you can get maca into your diet. I have also tried it in a turmeric latte, but I definitely prefer it with the chocolate and the turmeric, but you can still do it. They're definitely my go-to recipes and my favorite ways to add maca in. So anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful if you're a bit stuck on how to incorporate maca into your diet. If you like this video, then don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any more videos from me. To my side of me right now, there is my video on 5 healthy habits that I never skip, so if you like this video you might want to go check that one out as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.